Guys, welcome back. Ayan, ito naman yung God Corner ng College of Criminal Justice Education. Ayan guys, so background nila ay made of material sa parang cartoon. Ayan, at then yung nagbibigay ng parang sentro is yung mga bulak-bulak, malalaking bulaklak. Ayan guys. Yan, maraming salamat, no? So please do not forget to like kung gusto nyong manalo ang College of Criminal Justice Education. Ayan, i-like na po ninyo para at saka maglagay sa comments para merong chance sa raffle natin at the end of March. Ayan, maraming salamat. Please do not forget to subscribe Sir Parks Online YouTube channel.